If you're a music creator, you've probably heard the buzz around FL Studio. But is it really the best DAW out there? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and whether it lives up to the hype. FL Studio, often dubbed the go-to for electronic music producers, provides a comprehensive suite of tools for creating music. Right off the bat, the interface feels intuitive, especially for beginners. You've got a pattern-based workflow that lets you easily arrange beats and melodies, which is a huge plus if you like to experiment. The piano roll is particularly impressive, allowing for detailed note editing, and the variety of included plugins offers a solid foundation for sound design. However, while it's great for beginners, some advanced users might feel a bit constrained by the interface. The learning curve can be steep if you want to dive into more complex production techniques. Options summarize versus which are options on that new users might struggle to fully grasp all the features without external tutorials. It's clear FL Studio is aimed at electronic music, but if you're looking to branch out into other genres, you might find it a bit limiting. When it comes to the pros, FL Studio shines with its user-friendly interface and powerful plugins, making it perfect for electronic music creation. It also offers lifetime free updates, which is a big selling point. However, there are some downsides. The pricing can be a bit steep, especially for the more advanced versions, and the initial learning curve may deter some users. Additionally, if you're not focused on electronic music, you might find other DAWs more versatile. Some users have also reported performance issues on lower-end systems, which could be frustrating when you're in the zone creating. Overall, while it excels in certain areas, it may not suit everyone's production style. In conclusion, FL Studio is a fantastic choice for electronic music creators and those willing to invest time in learning its features. However, if you're looking for a more genre-diverse DAW or are on a budget, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, it's worth trying if you fit its target audience.